Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you 4 of my European boxes. This month has been so busy and I've had so much content that I haven't been able to show off the fabulous boxes I have been receiving for the past 2 months. And I would like to go over each one of them, but in order to keep the video at a speed that you guys would enjoy and watch through, I will quickly show the sample and small size products and go into depth with the full size products so that you guys can let me know in the comments if that was a fun way to do the boxes. I'm looking forward to sharing all of this fun stuff with you. Enjoy! So the first box we're going to look at is the LookFantastic Beauty Box for January, and it was all about wellness. What I liked about this edit is they had a few things about acai berries, how they can be used, the beauty of sleep, just general wellness, yoga. It was very useful. And what's hot and what's not, and on the what's not is not wearing sunscreen in the winter months, because we all forget that cloudy days and winter, the sun rays are still affecting your skin. Good ones. So quickly, they sent me a tiny little hand cream, which I want to tell all of my beauty boxes, if you're watching the show, you need to be sending hand lotion during this time of the year. That is something that we all need, and I would feel much more pampered. This is a simple size. I could go through this in like a week. Anyway, they sent me a tiny little hand lotion, a mineral conditioner from Ahava, the cream, Eternal Snow, the 3 full products, which I will assume they're full. THISWORKS Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and this is super fun. It has chamomile and lavender, and I will definitely try that tonight. Spray on my pillow. And I'm just going to spray right now, see how it smells. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, looking forward to this. This is really yummy. It's very gentle. It's not a perfumey smell. It's more like a spa smell, if that makes any sense. There's a lavender body wash. And the idea of a lavender body wash is like to calm you down, since the whole point of the box is about wellness, and lavender calms you. It's not very strong, the scent. The final piece, the Chemist's Rose Quartz, a lip gloss that has peppermint oil and mica on it, so it's going to give you a plumping action. I enjoy those kinds of lip glosses. I think they're always fun. You can use it underneath or over your lipstick. I just put my Chanel lipstick on. I don't want to put the red onto this, so we're just gonna have to imagine it or save it for a later video. Now the next box, so I'm gonna go between LookFantastic and GlossyBox. And this is also for January. I do not know what I did with the edit. Maybe it didn't have one, but it had a ton of products. A Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloth. It is paraben free, vegan, and cruelty free from JULEP. It says it will remove even waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. Awesome. Don't you find that removing mascara is the most annoying part of cleansing your face? It has licorice extract that helps brighten uneven skin tone. Always love that. So there's the black marble roller. People like to keep this. I have one that's rose gold, that you keep it in the refrigerator so it's cool, and you gently massage your face with it. It's good for going over your face after you apply your creams. I use it every now and then, especially if I'm hot. Like now in the winter I haven't used it, but when I'm warm, I definitely do that. So you would apply the larger size to your face this part of the face, and then the smaller size would be around your eyes. In the summer months, I keep mine in the refrigerator, and boom. Little things that they have was a Daydreamer cleanser with chamomile, a moisturizing foot mask. There is a Philip Kingsley bond builder for your split ends, Codex Beauty Labs anti-brightening serum, and then there's this INVISIBOBBLE. I saw it. I saw them use it on Instagram. I'll try. The way you're supposed to use it, you twist your hair and then you just kind of weave your INVISIBOBBLE through it. Let's see if it works. I've never used it before, so give me a break, okay? This is what it looks like. Interesting. I'll turn backwards, but mostly I'm just twisting into a bun. I don't know, you guys. I'm a little scared about this, so I'm gonna go onto the bun itself and twist it and see if it stays. Well, if I oh, it feels pretty secure. Oh, I like it. That's fun. And you cannot see it at all. Well, how about that? Let's move on, shall we? What do you think? My hair will look cuter down, so I'm gonna put it back down. You know, these videos are for posterity, right? Oh, and there are 2 per box. Love these new things. Kind of like love the little hair. Usually I keep one right here because I use it so much. The hair ties that are all like curly and they're plastic, and if you have your hair straight and you put it on, it does not put a kink on your hair. I love that. I will show it right here. Let's move on to the next box. So this is another LookFantastic box. These are more for February because they're Valentine editions, and I did get them way early in the season. Self-love is in the air. 6 lovely new products to discover. This is the cover page. I did not get the perfect hair day, and I got everything else. So usually for these boxes, they have a set of products and then they stuff the boxes with whatever they have, but sometimes at the end of the day, they don't have enough for everybody. They will fill in with a different product, but similar, and they will go and explain every one of them. Something about figs and how you can use it. Cupid approved routine. That's cute. 5-step cleansing routine. If you want to see my morning and evening routine, how I take care of my skin, and a tutorial on a filter look, like a Instagram filter makeup, so that you look like you have a filter on in real life, go over here. It's totally worth watching. The Valentine's Day book club, so that's cute, and there is always a sneak peek for the next box for next month's. Looking forward to it. We got a glow toner from Pixie, clarity cleanser, Balance Me, vitamin C brightening eye serum. Here we go. This is the makeup remover. This is cute because it's like a little heart. How cute is that? There are 2 from the brand. It's from GLOV. I think this is the same company that has sent me pillowcases before. The idea is you wash it and you remove your makeup, much like the original makeup remover. You can see that in this video right here. Makes it for a cute little gift for a teenager. I mean, I would use it, but I have the other ones. This stuff really does remove your makeup, although not your mascara. It will tug your eyes. So might use this to clean, and then the face wipes to kind of work on my mascara. Here is a Lottie. It's a British company, Lottie of London blush, and it's the same color that I have received before, called Haze, and I absolutely love it. It's very pigmented. There's lots of color in this product. This one is odd. I can see that the bottom is like there is a degradation in color, and I don't know if it's a defect or it's just the way the product is. I did not notice this on the other product. Not sure, but it's very high in pigment, and when you put it on you have to use a kabuki brush to blend it. It's a hair mask. It's called Paradox Repair, and let's see how it smells. It smells herby, but minty, like bubblegum. Don't know that's the loveliest fragrance that I had on my hair products, but it's not horrible either. I'm looking forward to see if it works. Oh, it's really soft, almost like a very rich moisturizer. And then the last thing, I'm gonna have to see what is all of these colors. It is called Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and lemongrass essential oil. Vegan, cruelty-free, mostly natural, dermatologically tested, gluten and wheat-free. It is made in the UK. Super cute and happy. You can use it for moisturizing, healing your cracked skin, and as well as removing your makeup. It smells clean, but there's hardly any scent whatsoever. And you would not perceive any scent. Now for the final box, it is the GlossyBox for Valentine's. And I'm looking forward to looking at it because I thought they did a fabulous job just doing something different. The box is black. I think they have a white box and a black box. I got the black one. And it says, beauty is being the best possible version of yourself inside and out. There is just a romantic, old-fashioned theme to the box. The edit itself, look at how gorgeous. And I've seen like these gorgeous little Instagram reels on it, and oh, so pretty, so elegant. Winter tan, extra treat, C in size, black or white. I'm super excited about something that's in here, you guys. Let's look over it. It says classic beauty is always in vogue. I love that. We got quickly, it is Natura Echoes, a shampoo and conditioner called Muramaru. I'm not sure I know how to say that. A nourishing cream with niacinamide from Verso. So that's number 3. The eye cream is a 5. This is the nourishing cream. And this is Danish. VITA LIBERATA self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. Oh, my friend Lisa loves marula oil. I am too dark to wear tanning creams. I don't like the way I look with tanning creams. However, in the summer, I do wear tanning cream on my legs. I think it just makes my bumpy legs look less bumpy. But if you are of Nordic descent and you're very pale, a gradually tanning lotion on your face in the winter months or even in the spring, it just gives you a little healthy glow. Just my opinion, doesn't mean you have to use it. Dragon Blood Eye Mask to hydrate and tone. I love this. A back to black nail polish. So I saw this, it's from NCLA. I have received these nail polishes before and I really enjoy them. I have seen, and if I find a photo, I'll put it here, where it's kind of like a French manicure but with the long pointy nails. And I thought that was super elegant. I thought that was a look I would do. Super fun. I'm looking forward to that. I will play with it. Maybe even try a regular French manicure where the tips are black. Sure, why not? And actually, I had these black last night. And then I wanted to do a little shimmer on them and ended up using this nail polish right here over them, and they turned out this color, which I thought it was fun. Not perfectly done, but I like it. From Cap Cosmetics, I've received a lip balm from them before with a liner, but this one is a cream lipstick. From this image right here, I would think it's not a super red lipstick. I would imagine it is an elegant everyday lipstick. The packaging is interesting, but it looks a little cheap, like plastic. So Cab, I would try to do something about your container. It looks very plasticky. Oh, look at that lovely color. It would go great with my pants. This would be like a cute lipstick to wear with it. It's not as peachy, but let's see what it looks like on my skin. The formulation feels dry, but it will probably last a long time. So that's what it looks like. Well, hope you enjoyed it. I see you, my muses, next weekend.